wasn't expecting this today. Walked out the house, look what showed up. Life finds a way, don't. Little porch bone hustlers, running in the sun, tiny feet tapping, acting like they on the phone. Came out of nowhere, now they chasing all the fun. Yeah, life keeps moving, no matter where you're from. Little porch bone hustlers, yeah, they wild and free. Brand new life, right underneath my feet. Didn't plan a thing, but it's plain to see. Even in the chaos, something good can be, yeah. Stepped outside, coffee cup in my hand. Like a little peep, didn't know the plan. Looked down low by the wood and the thing. Got baby chicks living out a backyard dream. No coop, no light, no fancy setup, just dirt and grit. Yeah, they came up tough, mama hand hit them wet, nobody goes. Now they out here strutting like they run a whole show. Tiny little clouds on the old porch boards. Curious mind, shit ready to explore. One packs a bug, one chases the breeze. One just tripped over its own 2 feet. Little porch born hustlers, running in the sun. Tiny feet tapping, acting like they on the phone. Came out of nowhere, now they're chasing all the fun. Yeah, life keeps moving, no matter where you're from. Little porch born hustlers, yeah, they wild and free. Brand new life, right underneath my feet. Didn't plan a thing, but it's plain to see. Even in the chaos, something good can be. Ain't no blueprint, ain't no guide, just a mama and that natural drive. Stands might come, winds might blow, but they still pop out, yeah, they still grow. Kinda like life out here in the sticks. Make it work with whatever you get. No silver spoon, just mud on the ground. Still find a way to get around. They don't care about bills or stress. Just sunshine, bugs, and a place to rest. And watching them rug, got me thinking clear. Sometimes simple's all you need out here. Yeah. Didn't plan it, didn't build it, didn't even know. But there it is, life, right under your nose. Little porch born hustlers, chasing that life. From the shadow straight into the morning bright. Didn't wait around, didn't think twice. Judge until living that brand new life. Little porch born hustlers, yeah, they doing it right. From the dirt to the sun, now they taking a flight. It's bad inside, I don't know what we did. Good things grow wild, just let them be. Yeah, sometimes the best thing ain't planned it out. Little porch born hustlers, little porch born hustlers, little porch born hustlers, yeah. Planned it out.